How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. We got some possible news, and I don't want to get too excited because I hadn't heard about this before, but someone commented on one of my videos, and I'll actually show it here, that we had just gotten Workhorse added to the GSA website. And a shout out to Eric Brown. I looked this up as soon as I saw it, and GSA is the General Services Administration. And if you haven't heard about that, I wouldn't be surprised. I hadn't heard about it either. It's an independent agency of the United States government established in 1949 to help manage and support the basic functioning of federal agencies. Now, I'm going to show you what they put on there. Before we do, I did make a video about how Workhorse did not get the USPS contract in September. Most of that was just a cautionary tale not to sell your shares just if they don't get the USPS contract right now, and to look over the long term. So I'm not saying that they are or they aren't going to get the contract yet today. I still haven't heard anything about that. I would not be surprised if it happened after market hours, but this is really interesting. This is the first that I've heard about this being added to the website. And of course, it could have been on there before, but no one had told me about it, and I've heard no one talking about it. So, first look, Roadside Assistance for the GSA. If you scroll down here, it basically talks about how GSA fleet leased customers can contact the GSA Maintenance Control Center or your vehicle's manufacturer for roadside assistance. So it seems like it's really just for the government, right? For GSA fleet lease customers. And if you scroll down here, after hours, contact the vehicle's manufacturer for roadside assistance. If you continue, go down, you can see Chevy, Fiat, Ford, and what is last? Workhorse. 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 Oh my gosh, if this is what I think it is, and if we get the kind of news that we're looking at, this is major. This is like the first look that I've seen that really hinted at maybe it being leaked that we got the USPS contract or part of it. Hopefully I can get this out to you guys as soon as possible. If you guys like this kind of thing, let me know in the comments below. Hit the like button. I really appreciate it. If you guys want some free stocks, use the link down below. You can get 2 free stocks for a little bit longer through WeBull. But let me know what you think about this. This is amazing. If this is what we think it is, let me know what you think about this in the comments. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for smashing the like button. This isn't even going to be an 8-minute video. I want to get it out to you as quickly as possible. So thank you guys so much. If you want to see that video from this morning on not selling, I think it's still really important in case you are thinking about it, or in case, you're worried about the stock price going down right now.